Why is it important to replace missing teeth? Well, first of all, we're not going to be eating properly with that. Other reasons would be your teeth start shifting. So when you have missing teeth, the top starts moving into the missing area, or the bottom starts moving moving up into the area. The teeth on the side starts rotating, and they're like leaning towards the missing area. And then after that, your bite gets thrown off. And then after that, your joint, your TMJ gets thrown off, and then you have a hard time biting, then you have headaches. There's so many reasons why you need to replace your missing teeth. One, especially if it's in the front, that's not, it affects the way you're talking, speaking, playing your instruments. If you're missing teeth, or you have loose dentures, come to our office, call our number, and come meet with me, and we can discuss your options. I think you'll be happy with what your options will be and what I could do for you.